Class 8, Subject Social Science Geography, Chapter 2, Land, Soil, Water, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. In this chapter, we have already studied about the life of people, land resources, use of land in better manner, factors affecting land use, classification of land resources in our previous videos, and also we have talked about soil resources, soil formation, factors of soil formation, water resources, etc. Now we are going to know some facts about water and their elements. Water resources. Water is important for the survival of all forms of life. It is required for the domestic needs of humans like drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, etc. and also for economic activity like industrial activities, cultivation, etc. Now, how to conserve of water? Its conservation of water. First one is afforestation. Trees prevents wastage of water as they decrease the rate of surface runoff and renew the storage of underground waters. Buildings, dams on rivers. Multi-purpose projects have been started by building dams on river, which is an effective way of water conservation. These projects have not only controlled flood, but the flow of water in the rivers has also been regulated so that the wasteful flow of water is checked. Moreover, water is supplied to the areas of scarcity through canals. Hydroelectricity is also produced. Buildings, artificial lakes and tanks. In South India, there is lack of perennial river, therefore rainwater is collected in large tank and artificial lakes so that water can be conserved to the maximum. Improvement in irrigation technique. In traditional technique of irrigation, a lot of water gets wasted through evaporation and seepage. Sprinkles and drip irrigation are effective irrigation techniques that reduce water loss. Rainwater harvesting. Another very effective method to conserve water is to adopt rainwater harvesting. Check on pollution. Sewage of urban and rural settlements should be treated before its disposal into river. Industrial effluents must also be properly treated before discharging them into rivers. They contaminate water with metals and chemicals which ultimately reach human body. Individual efforts. We should also try to check wastage of water at individual level at home, school, office or public places. Natural vegetation and wildlife. Natural vegetation refers to the original plant cover on the earth's surface. Existence of plants and animals is confined to the biosphere. Biosphere includes everything in limits in which living beings are found, including the non-living components. It can be compared with the web of a giant spider in which every thread remains connected either closely or remotely with the others. Usage of forest. Productive function. Forests provide a number of economically important products such as timber, cane, bamboos, essential oils, resins, etc. Apart from these, a number of forest plants find use in medicine. Protective functions. Forests protect us from strong winds, heat and cold. They prevent soil erosion, floods and thus are helpful in conservation of soil. Ecological significance, regulative function. Forests help in balancing level of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, regulate Earth's temperature and the water cycle. Forests increase the local precipitation and water holding capacity of the soil, thus preventing drought situation. Wildlife refers to all plants, animals, birds and organisms which live in their natural habitats. Importance of wildlife. Wildlife forms an important part of the ecosystem. We get many products from animals, number first. Number second, wild animals are used as a source of gene bank for breeding programs in animal rearing and pisciculture. Insects like bees provide us honey and help in pollination of flowers. Like insect provide us lac which is used to manufacture wax. Wildlife helps to maintain the balance of nature. Each species forms an important part of a food web and also plays an important role as decomposer. Now it's time to your homework. Number first, read and understand all the terms covered under topic, covered under chapter very clearly, and solve question answer from book and ask about your problems. If any problem, you may ask your problem without any hesitation. Thank you.